Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or today I am new logo design process from start to finish. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Okay, let's start this video. सबसे पहले हम लोग आ गए इलस्ट्रेटर में और सबसे पहले हमने क्या करना है कि यहाँ पे हमने स्केच को रेडी करना है। ओके, तो सबसे पहले मैं इसको स्केच को रेडी करूँगा। और इसको अपने अलाइनमेंट कर लेना है। Select the polygon and create this here. Okay, go to transfer and change the value. Okay, 90. Select the polygon and select the line. Select the line, go to edit copy and go to edit paste in place and go to transfer and change this value. Okay, go to edit copy and go to edit paste in place. Select the line and go to transform and select the reflect and change this value. Okay guys, my sketch is ready. Go to select shape tool and fill the any color. Okay, start this logo. Okay, that's good. Okay, fill the blank space. Okay, that's good. Create this here. Okay, okay, create this M, create this T. Okay, or mistakes. Okay, create this A. Okay, okay guys, my logo is final. Go to edit copy and paste. Ungroup, select the logo. Remove this portion. Okay, mistakes. Okay, create this one line and remove this. Okay, select the logo, remove this portion and control V, paste. My logo is ready. Fill the red color. Okay, select the type tool and type this a brand name. Okay, change this font. Your company name is here. Okay, my logo is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.